जो comedy है is I think मेरे हिसाब से as an actor is the most difficult part. All other scenes, चाहे वो रोने का हो या emotion हो, somehow it's easy. But एक तो comedy and self-deprecating comedy, जो अपने पे ही हम हंसे, ये बहुत difficult होता है. So I think it is the hardest part, and I think you guys are doing a great job. So there's always scope to improve more in terms of many things, in terms of realism, in terms of tone, all of that. But I think it's a great first attempt, and I think it'll just get better. Nothing gets better than the first. This is your premiere.
Yes, it is.
The first guess.
So even when जब मैं choreography करता हूँ, जो पहला जो होता है दृश्य होता है ठीक है, but you need to work on it. And as you see it, the more you say, "This can be better, it can be better, it can," and I'm sure it will be better. But what a great beginning! It's already very high there, so it just requires a little bit more. And I really think it's so funny. There are a lot of people laughing, and enjoying the timing, and I think it's so simple and basic and yet effective. I think that's the best part. It can travel, it can go places.
That is true.
Yeah.
Sir,